Hello everyone. In this video there are 3 individual lessons on phrasal verbs with the words come, turn and fall. You can skip to any lesson with the timestamp provided in the description. Here are all the lessons in the video. Come back. Come back. Meaning to return. To return. I'm going away and I may never come back. I'm going away and I may never come back. Come along. Come along. Meaning to accompany someone. To accompany someone. Why don't you come along as well? Why don't you come along as well? Come by. Come by. Meaning manage to acquire or obtain something. Manage to acquire or obtain something. How did you come by these pictures? How did you come by these pictures? Come about. Come about. Meaning happen, take place. Happen, take place. How did the problem come about in the first place? How did the problem come about in the first place? Come out. Come out. Meaning appear. Appear. These animals only come out at night. These animals only come out at night. Turn against. Turn against. Meaning become hostile towards someone. Become hostile towards someone. Why did they suddenly turn against you? Why did they suddenly turn against you? Turn down. Turn down. Meaning reject something offered or proposed. Reject something offered or proposed. Why did she turn down your invitation? Why did she turn down your invitation? Turn off. Turn off. Meaning to stop a machine by switching it off. To stop a machine by switching it off. Please turn off the alarm clock. Please turn off the alarm clock. Turn back, turn back. Meaning, go back in the direction from which one has come. Go back in the direction from which one has come. It's getting late. Maybe we should turn back. It's getting late. Maybe we should turn back. Turn into. Turn into. Meaning, to change or develop into something different. To change or develop into something different. Caterpillars turn into butterflies. Caterpillars turn into butterflies. Fall behind. Fall behind. Meaning, to fail to keep up with. To fail to keep up with. He didn't want to fall behind in his studies. He didn't want to fall behind in his studies. Fall apart. Fall apart. Meaning, to break into pieces. To break into pieces. If you buy cheap shoes, they'll fall apart after a few months. If you buy cheap shoes, they'll fall apart after a few months. Fall through. Fall through. Meaning, to fail to happen. To fail to happen. I think the new business deal will fall through. I think the new business deal will fall through. Fall for. Fall for. Meaning, be deceived by something. Be deceived by something. She won't fall for such a stupid trick. She won't fall for such a stupid trick. Fall off. Fall off. Meaning, become detached and drop to the ground. Become detached and drop to the ground. Be careful that you don't fall off the ladder. Be careful that you don't fall off the ladder.